Hello, today we are going to present you Personal Finance Budget Tracker Excel template. The Org Business Consultant has developed for you to control your expenses and income up to 12 months. This Personal Finance Budget Tracker includes input transactions, input budgeted, actual and budgeted sheet, weekly and monthly report, table analysis, and dashboard. Moving on, input transactions. This sheet is designed according to your bank statement. You can add your data from your bank statement in highlighted key area. Further, it includes category income, debt, and balance column. In category column, you will have the drop-down list in which you can select your or any kind of expenses and income accordingly. Further, in income section, you can add the price, and in debit section, you will have all kind of calculation, and in balance, you will have the remaining balance of your transactions from your income. Moving on, input budget. This sheet will have actual data which will came from your input transactions, and you can add your budgeted assumption in highlighted key area, which will help you to analyze your actual and budgeted and its variances. As per actual and budgeted sheet, you can see the budgeted and actual transaction has differences, and the graphical presentation shows budgeted, actual, and differences segmentations, which will help you to analyze how much differences between your actual and budgeted transactions. Moving on, weekly report. This report shows the data of your expenses and income on a weekly basis. Same as in monthly report, this report shows you the all kind of your expenses and income on monthly basis. You will have expenses categories of your living housing, regular payments, which include student loan, credit cards, and other kind of insurances. Further, it includes food expenses and personal expenses. Some other miscellaneous and transportation expenses also mentioned here. Moving on, table analysis. The table analysis sheet has a pivot table of your expenses and income, which will generate according to your previous sheet. Now, moving on, the dashboard. The interactive dashboard helps to check your data monthly and quarterly basis. It includes the key KPIs in which you will have grocery, student loan, rent, mortgage, and electricity. Further, the slicers. With the help of slicers, you can interact with your dashboard. For instance, if I want to check only the doctor expense of first month, as you can see, the tree map chart of expenses shows me the doctor cost, which is $150. And if I just want to check the first month cost is $150. Via slicer, I can choose multiple selections and filters according to my choices. As you can see, the data has changed according to my clicking. Further, if your input budgeted sheet or input transaction sheet required any kind of changes, then you just need to refresh your dashboard. For instance, you need to go data, click on refresh all, and refresh all the data. The dashboard will refresh and update it according to your new data. It will take some minutes and you will have your updated dashboard. Further, at the below side, you will have some more charts of your expenses, which includes living housing, transportation, miscellaneous, personal expenses, regular payments, and food expenses, actual and budgeted in graphical form, which will help you to analyze your personal finance budget tracker. This is the end of the video. Thanks